Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about comments in C#.NET. So this is the important point about the comment. So it can be used to document what the program does and what is the specific block of lines can do. And here compiler ignore the comment. You can include them anywhere in the program without affecting the code. So this is about the comment definition. Now here after there are different types of comment. First is single line comment. So if you want to make this here this particular lines to comment, so you can use slash here. So here it's now color has changed, so it's become green. So here this is the single line comment. Now here after here let's copy and paste, control V here. So if you want to make a comment on single line, so you can give add here double slash, so it's now comment. So this line of code it's a comment now. Now here after if you now make the comments, so here this all lines one at a time. So for this we have to use a slash a star. So see right here it's comment to the whole line. So I'm gonna comment from this line to last. So you can give a star here. So this is the start point and this is the close point. So this comment we can say add here multi-line comment and here. So I wanna if suppose this is there is a comment I used for some specific purpose because I wanna define something like comments what we are using for, and this is the definition about the comments. So it can be used like this definition. So here or you can use add here line comment here one at a time. So add here suppose if I remove this part, so definitely you get so many error messages. So at your compiler could not understand what is the meaning of comments. So there are so many red line it's appear. So I will use these things in the program. So you have to use comment. So either you can give single line comment. So for single line comment, so every line you have to give slash slash here slash slash, right? So there we have to use the forward slash. Now instead of this you can give add here. So you can give only multi-line comment here. So here just write slash and here a star and here after a slash and here. So this is the beginning and here this is the ending. Now here after, so this is the one way we can do the comment. Now hereafter you can use add here this option also. So add here there is a comment. So first add here or select this part. So I want to make the comment. So comment out. So see add here this line of code it's a comment. So compiler could not understand here. Then you execute this program. So compiler could not understand why we are using for. So only this I'm using for documentation purpose, so that you can use comment. Now hereafter let's select this part and here on comment. So see right here it's a directly on comment. Now if you go to the on comment, so there is the some or shortcut key control K control U. So let's select this part and if I press control, so here first I'm going to make this one comment and here control K. So control K at here it's a selected at here from this point to this point here control K and control U. So if you press at here control U, so it's a on comment and here control K, so it's a displaying here from here to here. So uncomment here this is for comment. So here is the some small things, but you need to know about why we are using comment in the program. So if you are beginner, so you should know. So suppose if you don't understand why, or sometimes there are big program there, lots of codes, so 14, 15 line of pages of this code, and then you don't know how why we are using what is the purpose of this particular line. So simply just write. So add here I'm using this for to add two numbers. So like this you can give. So in future if you forget what is the purpose of this code, so easily you can remember without wasting time. So that we are using comment here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.